Yeah. Hello. Ufundisa question. Sure, bro. Wena lapha poleni ufunda yini? Isundowns. Isundowns. Sure.
No, you Ligabuwa Sotho, Ligabuwa Sipedi, Ligabuwa Afrikaans.
Sure. Kiri team ya kini. Isundowns team ya ka. Yona we ratang. Yona ke ratang thata. Wena wone mbola. Game intebezi. Like boni number 12 like Isundowns kili on number 12. Yeah, number 12. Wena mu chips woni.
Kiboning. Kiboning mangor kiboning.
Gaming sama ya Joang. Yeah.
Tafunyana mara they tried.
Yes. They tried. Yeah. No. So when now but our league win game
between
Chiefs and Sundowns.
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Mina eat down to yazi now.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you guys. This is We Talk Football SA. Now over to Ubuwa.
Mina ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi la ibona into le. La ibona into le. Into le ukuthi iyayibona.
Ibhani.
Yeah. Wathi ithi into le ama Chiefs yabantwana. Yayibona into ama Chiefs yabantwana angeke babuye ama Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ibheka into le.
Yes.
Bheka into le. Iyayibona le. Iphinde ukuthi ama Chiefs abantwana angeke babuye eSundowns.
Yeah.
Yangithola malume. Mina imuhunti. Mamelodi mina.
Mamelodi.
Yeah, Mamelodi East.
This is We Talk Football SA.
Sure, malume.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate your time.
Sure.
Thank you.